this is called oscilloscope. First of all, we run here, and this is button is known as on off. Okay, this is off. Now we will start to run. It will be start after later on about 5 and 6 seconds, and now start. You will see some rays are coming up down, and I am. This is button is known as voltage meter. Yeah. What is problem here? Oh yes, this button is known as voltmeter, and you will see his procedure here. This is you will be see volts division per second, and that is known as this button is used for second per division. Yes, and you will see that some rays are up and down here, and this is also used. You will see, and this button is used for vertically upward and downward. Yes, you will see it, upward and downward. And also this rays, you see that it will be move horizontal line, and you will see here by using this button, and you will be noted that some rays are going in horizontal line. Yes, it is moving that like that. And now you will see this will be upward and downward. This button you see vertical position. You will see this is vertical position, and it will be move up and down. This button. And now if we move about F1, this is you see there the coupling is changed, and DC the coupling is DC, and this F2 is used up by limit up and down, and F3 is used for volt and division, cos, fine and cos. Yes, this is the F4 is used for probe, and you see multiple times, and this is you see 100 times and 1000 times. Okay, and probe is multiples. You see that multiples. देखो F4 100 times, and you see this is number of class of mine. You see on the board. ठीक है, ये this is invert used for on off. And now let's move. Yes, these some rays are created. Here you see it on the move on the right side.
These are going.
These are going
very
on the
speedily.
Right side. Very speedily. Too much.
From left to right.
Yes. You will see on the group.
Now vertically it is increasing.
And it is very fast running, and on the fast track. You see on the board.
Now you can see.
And this button is used for display. Please. Yeah, display. Yeah, display only show display. This button is used for measurement. If you want to measure some position here, and you will be able to measure some amplitude and period rise for. Yeah. Please don't disturb me. And you this is the measurement. Amplitude is 1.54.
अब
the problem is that the button is known as this. Every measurement will become here from that button. Okay. बड़ी में group send करनी, video group send करनी. अच्छा, this is used for the channel. This button is used for channel 1 and 2. One problem. This is the rays that will be after connecting. You will be show some on things on the display, and I think you will be hopefully one, and if second is connected, your screen will be show like that. If you created some sinusoidal waves. Okay.
Now this is sinusoidal
channel. ठीक है, आगे next move.
Now एक मिनट इसको उतार दो यार, ग्राउंड ना करो. Sinusoidal नहीं बन